The first flower I'm going to make for our 3D flower challenge demo is, and the whole theme behind it is something for everybody. So the first flower I'm going to make is, I'll call it Fast and Funky, and I'm using these, I think they're foil backed, or yes, foil backed triangles, and I'm going to have 5 in the first row of beautiful red, and then 5 in the second row of beautiful orange. The first thing I do is nip the points off the flowers because they sit better. And of course we'll need a nice thick glue. I'll go and get that, prepare those petals, and we'll get into it. Okay, so I've cleaned everything, and now I'm ready to start with the glue. And yes, I'll still use my little baggie because it gives me control. If I used the big gun, I'd have like glue everywhere. I'd have to make 50 flowers. So I'm going to, well, attempt to squeeze it all out, because these thick polymers are really quite challenging to work with. So we want a nice little bit of coverage, or not all the way to the edge because we'll squish that. And then of course we'll want to save some for the middle bit. So we pop this in, and I've got my little step in under there, because we don't want the petals to be like that shape. We want them out like a little vase. So I'm going to pop in the red ones first, and I've got 5 of these. You can see how gluey that is. That's going to be nice sitting up on the demo board. So now I'm going to put another squish around for the others. So you'll see how quick this is. So if you need to whip up something really funky and quick, for whatever reason, this is just the goer. Now I'm going to put the orange ones in. So I'm going to put those over the creases. So make sure it's in the glue, because you want the glue to hold it in place. And you can see, because it's bending upwards, 5 is enough. If it was flat, we'd probably need 6 of these. So it makes for a great flower. So move over and let me in. And that is looking fabulous already. And now I'll just put the last squish in for the centerpiece. And I'm going to have a white one. A nice big dob of glue. So do I go for this size, or do I go for a big one? I'm going to go for the big one because I think that'll look funkier. So just sort of squish it around so it gets the glue all on its little underneath part. Press down so that the whole flower is glued together. Then tomorrow I'll peel this off. So how good is that? Let's get in closer. Pretty funky. I like that one. All right, the next one is going to be using stained glass.